Hey, this is Speed Demon by Michael Jackson, third song on the album Bad. This song's in A minor 7 or as close to it as you can get. Whole album is kind of detuned or tuned slightly between keys, but that's no problem. This song, if you play an A minor 7 and play along to it, you'll hear it's pretty much exactly right. So, I'm heading for the border, that's where we start. It's on my mind, or it's on my mind. The intro you can just play A minor 7. I'm actually starting it on the 7, so G, A, C, E. That's where I'm playing the A minor. And the guitarist often plays ba bum bum bum, ba bum bum bum. You can hear that on the record too. Jinning, jink, jinning. He's playing that chord a lot. And down to G as well, just between those two really. Verse, just those two chords all the way through. Look in the view mirror, it's hot on my tracks, is it getting nearer? I feel some heat is on my back, and speed demon. And we're going to go up to D major, down to C major, so that's the chorus. Speed demon, speeding on the freeway, gotta get a leeway, speed demon. I'm stopping at nothing, speed demon. Down to G, pull overboard and get your ticket right. I'm hesitant to say play the G major chord all the way through because there are times where it sounds like the bass moves between A and G, just playing A and G and the bass down here. But the chord really sounds like it stays on A minor for most of the song when it's the jam, even when it hits the G in the bass. Because that guitarist comes in with the A minor chord, ba-bum, bum, bum, even when the bass hits a G. But either way, whether you want to hit the G major chord or not, we have to do a verse 2. Ain't nothing gonna stop me, ain't no stop and go. I'm speeding on this midway. I really gotta burn this road. And we go, that's like a half length verse that time. It's very, very short. That second verse is half as long. And then we go into a chorus again. Speed demon, speeding on the freeway, gotta get a leeway. Speed demon, just D and C, doing it on the highway, gotta have it my way. Speed demon, mine's like a compass, I'm stopping at nothing. Speed demon, down to G, pull overboard and get your ticket right. Bridge, right, which goes to F major. Speed demon, you're the very same one who said the future's in your hand. The life you could be your own. The life you could save could be your own. Hard to get all those lyrics in. It's F to A minor, that's your bridge. Speed demon, you're the very same one who said the future's in their hands. Your hands even. The life you save could be your own. B minor 7. To B minor, you're preaching about my life like you're the Lord, gonna save you today and hour, like for me there's no tomorrow. And that last one there was E7. I'm playing it with the D and the B at the start because it's closer to the B minor 7. So that bridge again is F, speed demon, you're the very same one. A minor 7, you said the future's in your hand, the life you save could be your own. B minor 7, you're preaching about my life like you're the Lord. To E7, gonna live each day and hour like there's no tomorrow. And then to an interlude, guitar solo, you just play C, A, G, A, C, A, G, A, do 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 do. Jam for a bit, a little bit more soloing, and another chorus at the end. Speed demon, speeding on the freeway, gotta get a leeway. Speed demon, go. Speed demon. Does that twice. Da 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 da. Speed demon. Got fire in my pocket. I just lit a rocket, and then we go to F. Speed demon. Just pull over, boy, and get your ticket right. Speed demon. Pull over, boy, and get your ticket right. Speed demon. We go up to F again. Pull over, boy, and eat your ticket. Pull over, boy, and pull over, boy, and get your ticket right. Back to the jam again. So that hook at the end is slightly different. It's just a slightly altered chorus, you see. We've got to do it one more time, I think. Speed demon. Speeding on the freeway, gotta get a leeway. D to C. Got fire in my pocket, I just lit a rocket. And then F. Just pull over, boy, and get your ticket right. A minor. Pull over, boy, and get your ticket right. Speed demon. F again. Just pull over, boy, and eat your ticket. And we hit D. You could hit a D7. Pull over, boy. And he does a stop there. Pull over, boy. And then again, pull over, boy, and get your ticket right. That's basically the whole song for Speed Demon. Not too difficult, not too many chords. Hope you enjoyed it. Click like and subscribe to the channel if you did, between the keys. Comment below if you've got any suggestions for other songs you'd like to learn, of course. Hope you did enjoy this one. This, by the way, is a Roland FP-30X. I'll put a link to it in case you're interested in buying your first piano. It will be there in the description and the pinned comment on YouTube. Cheers, see you in the next one. Ciao for now.